A committee of 2 students is to be constituted from a group of 3 students. In how many ways can this be done? There are only 3 possible ways in which the committee could be formed. Here, each selection is called a combination of 3 different objects, taken 2 at a time. In a combination, order is not important. Thus, we define the term combination as follows. A combination is a selection made by taking some or all of a number of objects, irrespective of their arrangements. The number of all combinations of n distinct objects taken r at a time is denoted as shown. Let's prove the following theorem. The number of all combinations of n distinct objects taken r at a time is given as NCR. NCR is equal to factorial n upon factorial r into factorial n minus r, where r is greater than or equal to 0 but less than or equal to n. Let's prove the theorem. Corresponding to each combinations of NCR, there are factorial r permutations. Since r objects in every combination can be rearranged in factorial r ways, thus the total number of permutations of n distinct objects taken r at a time is NCR into factorial r, which is denoted as NPR. Now, let's verify the obtained result by the previous example, where the committee of 2 students is to be constituted from a group of 3 students. We know the number of all combinations of n distinct objects taken r at a time is given by the following formula. Now, substitute n is equal to 3 and r is equal to 2 in the above formula and simplify it. Thus, the number of combination is 3. Hence, the formula is verified. Let's take a look at some important results of combinations. Let's go through some more results. NCR is equal to NCn minus r, where r is greater than or equal to 0, but less than or equal to n. Let's prove it. Take right hand side, which is equal to NCn minus r. On simplifying it, we get the result as NCR, which is equal to left hand side. Hence, the result is proved. Let's prove the following result. NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to n plus 1 CR, where r is greater than or equal to 0, but less than or equal to n. To prove this result, take left hand side, that is NCR plus NCR minus 1, and simplify it. On simplifying further, we get the result as n plus 1 CR, that is right hand side. Hence, the result is proved. Let us find the correct answer for the given question. A group of 10 students working on a project needs to choose 2 students to present the group's report. How many ways can they choose the 2 students? A. 43, B 44, C 45 or D 46. Click to know the correct answer. Solution. Number of students in a group is equal to 10. Number of students selected to present the report is equal to 2. Since the order is not important here, therefore, we must find the number of combinations of 10 students taken 2 at a time. So, substitute n is equal to 10 and r is equal to 2 in following formula. Therefore, we must find the number of combinations of 10 students taken 2 at a time by using the following formula and solve it further. We get the result as 45. Hence, there are 45 possible ways to choose the 2 students. Let's work out an example. Solve the given equation for the value of x. Solution. On simplifying the given equation, we get the value of x, which is equal to 5. Now, we all are aware of the terms permutation and combination. Let's go through the difference between them with the help of following animation.